We check where the coils are. A beep should sound between both ends of each one. Between these two ends is an internal coil. Between these two ends is the second coil. And between these two ends is the third coil. To make the generator as efficient as possible and output the maximum voltage, we connect the three coils in series. This way we obtain a single-phase current output. We connect this point to this one using a small copper strip, and this terminal to this one using another small strip. The two remaining ends will be the single-phase current output.